Hi, my name is Lynn Kirkham. I'm the founder of Yes, You Can Speak. And I am here with the amazing Sarah Cruse, who is my lead trainer. And we would like to invite you into a super safe space called Speak to Influence so that you can find your voice if you have trouble with that. So many of us in the world have trouble when we're in the spotlight actually accessing the words that we need to say, whether it's in your personal relationships, whether it's within your team at work or with authority figures or on a big conference stage. Often we have trouble. And so this space, this 90 minutes, which is free, by the way, will give you tools to activate your voice and to come into center, your center, before you speak.
Yeah. So the invitation is to join me for an hour and a half. Um, in this hour and a half, we're going to connect to each other. We're going to learn how to connect to ourselves. We're going to learn tools to help empower that wonderful ground of a speaking voice that lives within you, right? It lives within all of us. And I would just like to introduce you to one little thing that we'll be touching on, and that is the power of presence. And just think about, I'm sure you are all very familiar with this power. Maybe you've felt it in yourselves or you've seen it in speakers that you admire or revere. And the power of presence can be very easy to access when we pause. Yeah, when we take a breath and reconnect to the truth inside. And also that moments of confusion, moments of anxiety, moments of forgetting are opportunities to pause and bring in presence. So this is just a little taste of what we'll get to do together. I enjoy being in the space with you all, and it's just one of my favorite places to engage. I look forward to seeing you and accessing the truth of our inner voices together.
Beautiful. We hope to see you soon.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.